Hi everyone, this is Sue Parks, the CEO of Orange County United Way, and I'm here today with a pandemic relief effort update. Today I'm going to spend more time talking about some of the other things that we do besides providing the $500 emergency debit cards. But before I do that, I want to let you know, because of you, we were able to help another 101 families or households last week. That brings our total to helping 4,453 households with $500 emergency debit cards. Let me tell you about one of them, Mo and Lisa, who are so grateful for the support. Mo remains employed through the COVID-19 closures, but Lisa has not been able to work since May. She was a part-time aide at a school district and then was furloughed. Prior to COVID-19, she also helped supplement the family budget by driving for Postmates, Uber Eats, but stopped that because of safety for her family. The household was prioritizing Mo's income for rent, food, and necessities, but the family had fallen behind on their car payment and some other bills. Lisa shared that the $500 helped them get caught up in their car payment, so you can imagine what a relief that is, and allowed them to start paying off some of these other bills as well. Lisa has started to receive some unemployment, so it's allowing them to stay current with their bills during this difficult time. Thank you so much, Orange County, for letting us help people like Mo and Lisa, who are industrious and doing the best they can for their family. So thank you, and we wish them all the best. Some of the other things that we've been doing in terms of the funds that you've been so generous, the shelters, we were very concerned about the homeless shelters. The frontline workers there do so much, and so we were able to provide support for 483 frontline shelter workers. One of the shelters themselves asked if we could help them with technology because they were having homeless clients gather around one computer because they all wanted to see where they were on the list to get additional support. And so that was a health issue, and so we provided them additional laptops so that people didn't have to all crowd together. So that was one thing. 100 cases of hand sanitizers to 30 homeless shelters we were able to provide. We purchased 30,000 diapers for Home Aid for their diaper drive for low-income families. So lots of things we're doing around the shelters, and we'll stay in touch and keep you posted on that segment. For educational help, so far we've been able to help provide 7,000 books out to students, and we do that at distribution sites where they come to the school to pick up food, or it might be at a partner like a YMCA or Boys and Girls Club, other nonprofit partners, so they pick up food and then a book. So that's been helpful. But please know there's going to be more needs with what's going on with technology for certainly the class of 2021. So more to come on that. Food security is a big topic for all of us through a generous partner. We were able to help 325 food insecure households with $250 grocery cards. We've provided both food banks, monies for a truckload of food. Each truckload feeds about 25,000 people. We've been able to help another food organization, Waste Not OC, with their infrastructure needs. So lots going on in the food space and more to come on that. Other things we've been doing, like volunteer activities. We've worked with 29 different nonprofit partners on virtual and remote, in some cases in-person volunteer events. If you want to learn about those, just go to our site, unitedwayoc.org, and you can learn about ways for you to volunteer, as well as you can learn about ways to give. So thank you for all of you that have volunteered. We've been working with 211, the call center in Orange County, and we've been able to provide them some additional support in funding and technology. Nailing for healthcare workers, we partnered with them to get frontline equipment out to healthcare workers, to grocery workers, to homeless shelter workers, so many that we've been able to help with equipment through the wonderful partnership at Nailing It for Healthcare Workers. We've worked with the Orange County Social Services Agency on educational Zoom meetings so people could learn what programs they're eligible for, because we want people to sign up for the programs that they are eligible for, as that will help them with some security as they go through these challenging times. So much more, but I wanted to give you an update that we're strategically looking at the areas in Orange County that need help and how we can support that. This isn't going to be over anytime soon, so your support is more critical. All I want to say today is thank you. There's no extra quote of the day. It's just me, my personal thank you to all of you that have supported this amazing work. Together, we will be stronger. Thanks, Orange County.